Fires can be incredibly destructive, and it is essential to have effective firefighting methods to combat them. In this tutorial, we will explore various ground-based firefighting methods used to suppress wildfires. These methods are an essential part of ground-based wildfire suppression technologies. Fire breaks are crucial in preventing the spread of wildfires. They act as physical barriers that interrupt the fire's path, slowing down or even stopping its progression. Fire breaks can be constructed using various methods, including manual labor bulldozers or controlled burns. Manual construction. Firefighters manually clear vegetation and create a cleared strip or path by removing flammable materials. This method requires physical exertion and can be time-consuming, but it is effective in controlling the fire's spread. 2. Bulldozer construction. Bulldozers are often used to clear wide strips of land to create a fire break. These machines can quickly and efficiently remove vegetation, creating a barrier that prevents the fire from advancing. 3. Controlled burns. Controlled burns are intentional fires set ahead of the main fire to consume the available fuel, thus creating a fire break. This method should only be employed by trained professionals, as it requires careful planning and execution. Backfiring is a technique used to combat wildfires by intentionally setting fires along the fire's edge. These strategically ignited fires burn towards the main fire, removing fuels in its path and reducing the overall fire intensity. Backfiring requires careful planning and expertise to prevent the fire from escaping control. Handline construction is another ground-based firefighting method commonly used to control wildfires. With this technique, firefighters create a cleared path by removing vegetation using hand tools such as axes and chainsaws. Handlines protect specific areas by preventing the fire from spreading further. Engines, also known as fire apparatus, play a significant role in ground-based firefighting. These vehicles are equipped with hoses, pumps, and water tanks to deliver water or fire-retardant chemicals to control and suppress wildfires. Engine attack involves driving engines close to the fire line and deploying hoses or aerial devices to discharge water onto the fire. Wet lines are created by firefighters spraying water or fire retardant along the fire's edge to prevent its spread. This method involves the use of hoses and specialized nozzles to apply a continuous stream of water or fire retardant, forming a wet barrier that slows down or extinguishes the fire. Ground-based firefighting methods are not limited to controlling wildfires in open areas. Structure protection is a critical aspect, especially when fires threaten buildings or communities. Firefighters use various tactics to protect structures, including removing flammable materials from around the buildings, applying fire retardant coatings, and setting up sprinkler systems to wet the structures. In conclusion, ground-based firefighting methods are essential in suppressing and controlling wildfires. Fire break construction, backfiring, handline construction, engine attack, wetline construction, and structure protection are just a few of the techniques used by firefighters to combat these devastating fires. By understanding and implementing these methods effectively, we can minimize the damage caused by wildfires and protect lives and properties.